Hindi pa sure eh. Pinasa'yo ay namanaran. Hindi pa sure. Hindi pa sure. Sana'y first week nandiyan ako. Di doon na kita lilibre ng ng Coco. Sana first week. Pero feeling ko second week yun eh. Feeling ko second week yun eh. Wait lang. Patugtog tayo ng well, I hope that I don't fall in love with you. 'Cause falling in love just makes me blue. When the music plays and you display. Okay, pwede naman extend basta may pen. Meron yan. Well, I hope that I don't fall in love with you.
Other days, moisturized feel.
Now it's closing time. The music fading out.
Now I choose both.
Let's call for three. Lords, yes po.
Why choose
Yes
one?
po.
Choose 2-in-1. Upgrade to Safeguard
I haven't noticed how.
Hotdog ng Bear Brand. Ang 840
Well, I turn around to look at you, and you look back at me. Well, I hope that I don't fall in love with you. 'Cause falling in love just makes me blue. Well, the music plays and you display your heart for me to see. I had a beer and now I hear you calling. Kilala nyo naman ako. Alam nyo pag may nagpapatugtog ako ng kanta kahit hindi ako nakaka-relate dyan, dinadamdam ko talaga yung tugtog. Ganyan ako. Kahit nga patugtugin mo dito yung di lang ikaw ang iyak ako doon. Artist ka. Kahit anong kanta, kahit happy birthday. Alam niyo ba, kapag hindi ako maiyak, kanta happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy... Diba? Iyak ako. Happy birthday to you. Yun yung ginagawa ko dati para maiyak ako. Kakanta ko ng happy birthday. Okay, ato. Yung magandang kanta. Yung masayang kanta. Bahay Kubo. Bahay Kubo, kahit punti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Si kamas at talong, si karilyas at mani, si tao, bataw, patani, kundol, matola. Yan na. Okay lang ako. Pag hindi iyak talaga ako po sa mga ganun. Iyak talaga ako. Ugupot kalabasa, at saka meron pa labanos mustasa, sibuyas, kati. Wala lang umiyak kasi. Well, the room is crowded, people everywhere. Ano ba yung nakakaiyak na sa happy birthday? Hi, Lu! Hi, Lulu! Ano nakakaiyak sa happy birthday? Ang dami ko kasi naisip kapag happy birthday yung kanta. Dati, kaya siya yung yun talaga pag walang-wala na, hindi talaga lumabas yung luha ko. Kakanta ko happy birthday. Isipin ko, what if yung mga kinakanta natin ng happy birthday, di ba ang saya-saya? What if wala na, yung ganun. Magkakanta ka na happy birthday, pero wala na yung kinakanta mo na happy birthday. Malungkot na happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wait lang. Sisend ko sa inyo yung... Wait. Sisend ko sa inyo yung